welcome back to our channel. Paul Gilly here. This is Building the Dream One Tree at a Time, where we are building our custom off-grid dream house, timber framed out of our own trees, cut from right here on our property. For those of you who've been following us from the beginning, here's a little treat for you. We're going to do a walkthrough of this whole thing. The house structure is built, all the walls are framed. Now we're ready for the trades, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, rough-in, all that. And we have placed our order for windows, so that'll be coming soon in another video. So now we're going to show you around the place that we'll be calling our home pretty soon, God willing. So come on in, I'll show you around. Front porch steps are framed, but no permanent treads yet, so don't trip. Yeah. Got a little extra studs here for whatever other framing we might need to do. But here we go. Here's our front door and into the house. Yeah. See, we got started on the plumbing. That's what I'm going to be doing today. Pardon the mess. My parts just kind of thrown around everywhere. I know. As you can see, all of our lumber here, we milled ourselves using our Woodland Mills sawmill. I found that Woodland Mills, not only awesome products, I mean, I have their sawmill, their stump grinder, their blade sharpener, log arch, and other stuff. And the products are great. Their customer service is awesome as well. And like 600 or so hours I've put on the mill. I've only had a couple minor issues, and they've always helped me work through them, even send me parts for free. So they've been great. Can't recommend them enough. Woodland Mills. Get yourself a sawmill. So here we go. I'll give you a little tour here. Come in through the front door. Here we go. And off to the side here, we'll have a bathroom. Coat closet right here. Over there's the kitchen. Big kitchen. I always say when wood is free, you go big, right? This wood is free. I mean, it cost me time, but my time is cheap for me. It's expensive for others, but it's cheap for me. Over here, I'll have library slash kids' school room, and then office in a corner there. That's right. Nice corner office for the wife and me. We'll share it. Going on through here, got the living room, big open space here, and stairs down to the basement. So this living room, very high ceilings. Timber trusses at the top. Gonna be a big room, big fireplace over here, big windows. Now you might be wondering, why the heck doesn't this house have any windows? Well, it does. They're just not cut out yet. When I did the sheathing, we just plywooded right over the windows. I mean, you can see where they're framed, you know. It was easier to just plywood right over the windows, especially I knew it'd be a little while since I'd have windows. So for now, we just covered over everything, keep it all rain tight. But once the windows get here, which will be hopefully in a few weeks, we'll be cutting those out and popping in windows. So back around to here, there's that front door again. These timbers are going to be for the main stairs, which will go up to this platform here, and then from here it goes in this direction and that direction upstairs. So we still got to build this main set of stairs. Probably do that tomorrow. These timbers will be the stringers for them. Going around this way, here is the kitchen. Nice big kitchen, nice big windows, and here will be a walk-in pantry, which serves as our current temporary kitchen. And then out here, mud room slash laundry room, and then door into that bathroom that you get to from by the front door. We've kind of made a loop around here. So there you go. And then behind me here is the side door. Goes out to the steps again. Framed permanently, but only decked temporarily. So we'll get new boards on those. I just didn't want to put the nice ones on quite yet during all this construction process. So, and then these steps go down to there, and eventually we'll throw a walkway in there going to the barn / garage. So that's that. Why don't I take you upstairs? So I know for now it's a ladder. It will be stairs. You get to this platform, you got the west wing and you got the east wing. Let's go east. So, up these stairs, go down a hall. First of all, we got a nice little loft right here. Big window, that'll be cool. Matching one on the other side. Down to the hall, there's 3 bedrooms. One here, the linen closet in the middle. Second bedroom here. Third bedroom down the hall. As you can see, this is our current bedroom as well. And this here is the bathroom. Main space here, we'll have double vanity. A door right here to go to the toilet. Another door on that side to go to where the shower is going to be. Those of you who have a lot of kids like I do will understand that the kids' bathroom, separate. If you're building a bathroom for your kids, put the shower in a separate room and put the toilet in a separate room from where the sinks are. Can't tell you how many times the kids are like, I can't brush my teeth because so and so is taking a shower, or you know, brother's on the toilet taking forever and I need to take a shower. Yeah, separate them all into 3 separate spaces. That way, saves you having to build 3 separate bathrooms. Moving along, back down to the landing and up these steps to the west wing and the master bedroom. There it is. Man, it looks smaller on a video. We got the master bathroom over here, same kind of deal. Double vanity here in the middle. Have the shower over here, toilet over there, separated by doors. And then walk-in closet here with a secret door in the back to get to this loft. This is a private loft. Don't tell anybody. And the coolest thing, up here, a bonus loft. But don't tell anybody about this one either. Yeah, let's get up here. All right, here's our bonus loft. Now we're high up. We're in the rafters here. See all these cool timber trusses. And a nice window looking over the living room way down there. Yes, it is high up. There we go. So there's our house. Now, you want to see the basement? All right, fine. Let's go see the basement. Not much to see down there, but why not? Now, I'm warning you, the basement is a mess. All right, let's start at the door. There we go. Welcome to our basement. We started with the insulation on the walls. We're going with this rigid stuff. At 2 inches thick, it's R13. That meets code. And leaves you with nice flat walls instead of all that loose blanket stuff that always falls down. There you go. And there is our temporary kiln, powered, of course, temporarily by the Bitcoin miner here. It's not on right now because the past several days were very rainy and cloudy, so we were conserving our solar power. But that's what happens there. We've got another video showing that, so if you want to take a look at that, please do. But basically, that's a fan blower that cools down the miner. blows the hot air into there. And then there we got a bunch of wood stacked. I'll show you. There it is. Right now we're drying some poplar. Hot air comes into there. This room stays nice and warm. And fan circulates the air. We got some poplar drying right here. We got some red oak right there. Excess heat and moisture goes out the windows there. It works. Works pretty well. Over here, we got our utilities. Again, pardon the mess. Getting ready to start plumbing and electrical. Here's our bathroom. Temporary situation, of course. And all this, which you would have seen if you watched our video on installing all the solar off-grid system. There it is. We got our 2 inverters, our combiner boxes, all that good stuff, and then the main panel and our food source, food supply right here. There's the well pressure tank and our temporary water situation. And back here are these enormous batteries that run the house. They get charged by the solar system. So there we go. There's our house. There's a quick overview of the layout of our house. Next thing we're working on, like I said, is plumbing, electrical, HVAC. Actually, my HVAC buddy is coming by this evening to take a look and measure things out and figure that all out. And then working on plumbing today, and then we'll be doing electrical, get all the trades in here. And then inspection. That's always fun. Gotta love that government man comes and tells me if my work is suitable. But hey, you gotta do it. What are you gonna do? Well, hopefully he likes what he sees. Hopefully you like what you see, you know. This whole project has been so much fun for us to build. Get the whole family involved. If you've seen the other videos, you know what I'm talking about. We got the kids running the sawmill and my wife's running the crane, all this fun stuff. So if you haven't seen all that, go back and check out the previous videos. It's exciting stuff, a lot of fun. So we're really enjoying this, and also really appreciate you guys watching and sharing our videos and getting this stuff out there, because it helps us out. So thank you again for watching. And stay tuned for the next one, which will show all kinds of other fun stuff. You'll see. I'm not going to spoil it now. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you on the next one. God bless.